I see. Don't forget your temperature, Devin. This is how we do it. The new norm. Your scan.
Okay, sure.
QR code.
My Sekitar friendly, this one,
Hopefully.
Hopefully, just nak bawa tak jadi.
The new norm compliance.
Ni kuat tapi tak. Okay.
You get it? All right. That's for PSMB. And we've got to do it for your name and also the face mask.
Yeah.
Good. Have a safe seat. Good. You have a business class there. Morning, guys. So, 5 more minutes. We've got to take a flight. This is the room. And this is what we are here for. Yeah, the seats are all there. You can choose. This is our first public training, and everybody is with their mask. And I like to tell that we are going to do this training in this form. Okay, and I will talk to you a little bit about what I'm going to do in the very near future. Something that is, for me, really important. We look at this word. The word is so-called environmental quality. It's a simple definition. But if I were to give any scientist would want to give you a list of environmental hazardous substances, we need to know actually environmental exposure level. That is missing. You see, a substance can be automatically in any quantum hazardous at any time. Like cyanide, like mercury, like instantaneously hazardous substances like venom, chemicals similar to venom, endogenous, nerve-wracking, toxic substances. So, what is missing is sometimes you do not know when a substance is environmentally hazardous. Let me give you an example: chlorine. But chlorine has got threshold value. At least we have threshold value for chlorine. But what about benzene? When is dioxin hazardous? When is dioxin causing mutagenic effect? Anyone? Any scientist? That is why they come up with some dilution factors. Is it a clinical regulation? I don't know. But that is still subjected to some substantial debate. When is BOD environmental hazardous? What does COD 200 do to us? use the water? What does COD 1000? These are questions that I need all of you yang berhormat to go further. The law specifies the level, some of it based on researches like chlorine, like some heavy metals, but most of other levels that you see in the law, they are arbitrary. They are thought by a group of people to be safe. But is there any evidence to support the figure? Can I take a look at the report? We didn't get it until today. So that's one problem. Alright? Now, I'm not going to talk about the law because I'm not supposed to. And look, inland water system, rivers, lakes, spring from mountain, wells or bahasa Melayu perigi, telaga termasuk perigi buta. These are all perigi, alright, what else? Groundwater, aquifers, groundwater, these are all inland water system, right up to the lowest astronomical time. Air surut paras paling rendah sekali, from there sampai ke puncak bukit, ini semua adalah inland water. Daripada paras air surut tepi pantai yang paling rendah sekali sehingga ke laut, ini semua adalah marine water. Malaysian terrestrial water sampai 12 nautical miles. Malaysian exclusive economic zone sampai 200 nautical miles. Ada siapa ambil marine sciences or marine law, kelautan laut semua ni yang tahu sendiri, but not for us, right? Now for you and me, we've got to understand what is inland water. Hong Kong British swimming pool, inland water. Okay. Kemudian saya bagi lagi sekejap. Lepas itu, saya memang swimming session dari itu yang boleh tenis dah tak boleh main, badminton pun dah tak boleh main. I'm a swimmer. Kalau kat sana tengok di kelab, drive lah bagi suka di kelab. Saya dah tak boleh guna pistol. Saya guna breaststroke. Itu yang belakang tu freestyle, butterfly, backstroke dan breaststroke. Champion sekolah dah. Lepas tu dia nak main dia lain, tak. So to swimming, but I encourage everybody to take up this is swimming, where you sweat out the toxin in the body. Kalau orang perempuan, kita tak takut. Orang perempuan, dia boleh detoxify every month. You and me, mana ada detoxify? Kena bekam, right? Kita the greatest donor, detoxify, we donate a lot. Faham? Tak faham, tak boleh. For the men, especially saya tu, sila.
Tanya soalan boleh tadi?
Anytime.
Okay, kita Malaysia, water contamination yang pernah berlaku, kalau boleh bagi untuk sebab dia dari mana irrigation atau preventive yang rasa mungkin itu lah menunjukkan kan.
Ini dia rakam.
dia perlu beli dasi untuk bagi sekolah. Apa tak ada menu?
Jadi dia beli Ustaz kita dapat
Good morning, everyone. This is Khalid introducing you. Well, first time in YouTube. I'm I'm trying to tell the whole world and plus other universe that I do conduct public training on environmental topics. So it's with CPD points for some topics, while other topics are without CPD points. Thank you, EMAS. All right, so this is a test. I'm going to do a PowerPoint animation when I'm recording all the subjects later on for your disposal. All right, thank you very much for listening. Bye.